Hi Rick, it's Brianne Johnson. Thank you so much for this opportunity to make you this quick video to kind of give you some tips on how to build your own website and improve your online presence so you don't have to pay for HomeAdvisor anymore. So I just started on the first page of Google and searched carpet cleaning Corona because we kind of want to see what we're dealing with here. And the first thing to note is that this is the map pack. This is where you want to be. The top three right here are definitely the most important positions because they pop up anytime somebody searches something similar to this. There'll be three spots here. And when you're right here, the customers can see your reviews, your phone number, your website, where you are on the map, even though it's a service-based business, all that good stuff. You can pay for ads, but I have ad blockers on, and so they don't pop up for me. And then you also want to be in the organic listings down here once you build your website. So your website would have double visibility basically. They'd be able to see you down here and see you in this top three. That just gives you double the opportunity to show a customer that they should choose you over your competitors. So that's really important, and you want to make sure that you work on your Google My Business if you don't already have one. I searched through all of these and I had a hard time finding you. I don't know if you do have a Google My Business, but that's definitely something that we should work on. So then I looked at one of your top competitors for carpet cleaning Corona, and this guy popped up, and his website is clean. It looks nice. It does have a fair amount of content. When Google is scrolling websites, it looks for content, citations, and backlinks. Content is all the words on your page. It can be these bigger words. It can be down here when we get into like the smaller words. It can be anything that these pictures are saved as. That's a good way to get keywords in. So saving these pictures as carpet cleaning Corona, all that good stuff, that will help get your website to the top when people are searching terms similar to that. The other two things that we want to look at are citations and backlinks. Citations are anywhere that your website name, phone number, address, all that good stuff is listed in a directory. That can be Yelp, Facebook, something like that, or it can be carpet cleaning related directories, cleaning related directories, all that good stuff. You want your name out there as much as possible so Google can see your name and website and see, yep, they're a legitimate business that provides a legitimate service for the customers that they're showing your website to. And then lastly, we want to take a look at backlinks. And this is a cool little tool we have to kind of show how their website analytics are doing. Google Analytics would be a more accurate place to start for them, but this gives us a kind of little backdoor into seeing what is going on behind the scenes. So backlinks are any websites that are linking to your website. Not all backlinks are created equal, so you want to make sure that you're linking to other carpet cleaning sites, other cleaning sites, a cleaning related blog is helpful, stuff like that. If you link to Jack in the Box, sewing, stuff like that, it's not going to be as valuable to Google, and so that won't really help improve your numbers because they won't really see why you're connecting to those sorts of sites. However, the awesome thing about looking at this is that we can kind of get an idea of how much traffic you would be getting to your site. This isn't exact, but it does give us a good idea that they're getting 2.3 thousand people to their site. That means that you would have 2.3 thousand opportunities to make a sale instead of getting those paid for leads from HomeAdvisor that aren't exclusive, that they're going out to 5 other people and you have to fight for. You would be able to pay less money and get buyer intent leads that are yours and yours alone to your website. So that's definitely the most important opportunity about building your own website, is that you get buyer intent leads that are yours and yours alone. You don't have to fight for them. You're not paying for them except for whatever you're paying to upkeep your website pretty much. Overall, if you follow those 3 things, you will be able to outrank your competitors on Google once you build your website. I went ahead and listed the 3 things that I go over in this video so you can kind of read about them real quick if you kind of forgot. Here's my phone number and my email, and I really look forward to getting your feedback on this, so go ahead and call me, shoot me a text, shoot me an email, whatever you feel comfortable with, and I'm really excited to hear your feedback. Have a great day.